The road that, don't yes, it's part of it. Let's go there.
What's that?
So all we need to do is to do this assessment. But why not this one? Another room. Which one is that? It's not a line up there, yes. We have to find this expressway. So from here we will now find how all here. No, this is the demarcation. Look at the demarcation. Where? Just like that fence that goes like here, goes inside. So now this is where you place it and look at how the roads will so is it you have people who are
public area planning.
okay, so you have to give them that they will make the drawings. The building drawing is coming so that they can post
And see how many can come out.
no, that all will come out. I'm going to not take if you have 6 hectares of land. You know, because 6 hectares of land. Yes, sir. 6 hectares of land is so much. For even 30 years, that's too much. Yeah. 60,000 plots.
6,000 square meters.
6,000 square meters. So, that family go like this to link to somewhere. So it's either you take from here or you take from here. It's very important. Because this has okay, fine now. Also, I'm there to pay compensation. That's not what you said yesterday. FCT, that's the mechanic control there. Where's your radio? As you are coming in the mechanic valley right here. Yes. So what if you get some nothing happened? Why do you think this? Which road is running? There's a road, don't think so. There's a road here, forget that. There's a road. Whether road is there or not, that's not why you are land at.
Well, several times, sir.
If you got to move there, you have seen up the place.
Okay, sir.
Why are you allowing this? What is this?
The plot is adjoining this road. The plot. Is this place.
Okay, so commercial development. Private commercial development.
For what?
It's a private office. Private office is called President.
This is it's adjoining the plot.
What is adjoining the place? Is it the land?
The land, this is the land.
What actually you say is adjoining the place?
This land,
All of this place.
No.
This road goes where?
But the main road that we came to here wasn't doing a certain road. What's it?
No, you're not pressing the deal. We come outside.
You talk to them.
I agree. Yes. I don't understand English. Even as part of this, does it go to anywhere within the district? See, I don't understand. See where we are. Is it that the road stops here?
It stops, there's a road here. A major road.
That goes to somewhere.
That road that is being done by him in Jabi, that cross over, continue to Airport Express. So this road here on
The letter grass way.
Yes.
And they love for you. They love for you. They don't do it.
Where are they now? Yeah, I can see them from here. So, General Service, I did this road. And this road. And then now, why not? The way you do the explanation, people can work out. One of the road leads to somewhere else. This one leads to somewhere. And you're only
That's what I was explaining. This is one that will continue up to the expressway.
why you keep them?
This is 820. No, this is 820. The airport. Anyone behind us? To ring us. So, this is the site where there was a building collapse. Over 7 persons lives were lost. So the FCT administration resolved that the place should be developed.
Move, brother.
In this time for the time you were done.
You don't go to the beach.
Epka.
Yeah, we cleared it last year because it's being occupied by some of these big environments. So we cleared it last year.
Take a shot of the park. Yeah?
Considering the level of projects that
hear from me? Yes! Sure? Yes! Okay, but no one. I don't say this place. You don't say they be the way we there before. Yes! Where for where 7 people died. Yes! And this has happened since 2008. Yes! Yes! And the FCT contract said to remember those people who died. They will use here do like a memorial center so that people will come stay, relax, you know, and this in memory of those who don't die. So as I tell President, my President said, since they promise when they were big, so they can make sure they build up quick. So that sometimes all of us we are not quick for work or relax. You understand me? Yes, sir. I don't say some of us do small thing. Yes, sir. Hold on, but you see, we don't feel media like that. Yes, sir. Understanding? Yes, sir. It's not impossible to live like that. Yes, sir. So we're going to be able to us. Yes, sir. For our own interest. Even at the debut here, some people will see themselves for workers when they work. Some of them. God bless you, sir. Long life, Mr. President. Long life, sir. Long life. Utako will get work over other countries. Make our way. I know I said that I guess so. The president said this is why I consider this. Make sure they do them immediately. So they are called. So I thank God. And most of the roads when they are one make Abuja fire. Yes. You know, sir, this was a part of the new hope agenda of Mr. President, so that everybody will be happy. Before the whole of my defense, said things to the work for Abuja. So after the president come now, things don't the work for Abuja. I want to support one organization. And be patient. So many things go better. Are you hearing? Yes, sir. Are you hearing? Yes, sir. So, I say, I talk to her. I don't go say, I come here. I don't go talk to her. Yes, sir. There are people who so. Thank you very much.
Okay, first question. Who's asking? Usman.
Yes, sir. Honorable Minister, you've gone around some key locations, including roads and, of course, also seen some plot of lands that you visited. Can you kindly brief us on what you've seen and what the administration plans to do going forward, including where we are right now?
Well, thank you very much. Like I've said, by the directive of Mr. President, that we must make sure that the renewed hope agenda is not mere talking. It's to bring back that lost hope of Nigerians to believe that things can be done right again. We went to Katampe area where we are trying to provide, you remember we said we are going to build accommodation for the judges of the Federal High Court. We also did say we are going to build for judges of the FCT High Court. And we're also going to build for the justices of the Court of Appeal of Abuja Division. And as part of it, we have to go and see the site. And we found that the infrastructure is there to be provided, and which has made us to direct the FCT to quickly see that we provide the infrastructure so that we can start the residential buildings. You can't site residential buildings when there are no basic infrastructure. that we have seen, and then where we want to build the Abuja Division of the Court of Appeal, which is at Utako area, we also have seen that we need to provide infrastructure, particularly roads. And I've also directed the FCT to make sure that that is done, and then acquire some buildings for public purposes and pay compensation for part of this Court of Appeal complex or the Abuja Division of the Court of Appeal. And there again, where we are standing here, in 2002, there was a collapsed building where 7 people died. And I was told that FCT decided to make here a memorial center in remembrance of those who died. And that had not been accomplished. And so I decided to take a visit and see the place. And we have directed the director of Parks and Recreation to bring out a proper design that will be a test of time. A modern memorial park that people will remember those who lost their lives here. And all this, of course, will start immediately after the passage of the FCT statutory budget of 2024. So we are preparing for that. And as soon as the budget is submitted to the National Assembly and is passed, we will start the procurement process for this. And we're going to build a befitting memorial center that the world will see and acknowledge indeed this is a memorial center. So that's what we're doing. And like I said, our job is just not merely to sit in the office. We also have to come and see the sites and for us to really know actually the problems on ground. So that's what we're doing today.
Okay, Honorable Minister, the President moments ago has actually submitted the 2024 budget to the National Assembly. Can you give us a sense of what the outlook of the 2024 budget for Abuja looks like?
I would think that you should wait tomorrow when President presents the budget. He has not presented the budget. He's going to present the budget tomorrow. Thereafter, after his presentation, we don't need to let the cat out of the bag. And moreover, I'm not the Minister of Finance and Coordinate the Economy and the Minister of the Budget and National Planning. So let me not take other people's responsibility.
Thank you very much.
Minister, for those that believe that you are opening too many projects, where will you get the money from? What would you be telling them?
Well, that is a good question. We have tried to beef up our IGR, and by the grace of God, we are going to rely. The opening, the bringing us out of the TSA is a good ground that will enable us to enhance finance from the wider financial market. And like I said, it's not any magic. We look at what we have in our IGR, and then we go to the bank to say, listen, we would want a certain amount of money, and how do we repay? Is by using our IGRs as our collateral to pay the financial institutions. So every project we are going to embark upon, there must be funding to back it up. I've said I don't believe in just the project when just awarding contracts where you don't have the money. Any project we're embarking upon, be assured that they'll be backing up our funds. So thank you very much.
Thank you very much.